Do we sub out our work or is it all in-house? Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So a couple of our sales reps have been asked lately, I know Mark has and Armando has, do we sub out our work or is it all in-house? Well, the answer to that is it's all in-house. Unless it's something extreme that's not under our expertise, such as the floor scanning or tree removal and things like that. We have subs that we use and have used for those types of projects. But if you do a foundation repair with any piering, poly, that type of thing, it's all our in-house trained employees. You'll see most of them in our videos, and they will be performing the work and they will take care of you. So hopefully that answers your question, and we look forward to hearing from you. Leave a comment below.